Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kima network token. Now this token, they're calling it the most anticipated TGE token generation event of 2024, and they are partners with Polkastarter, Surprise, a Launchpad, and Chain GPT Pad. And it's already been announced that they will be getting a very big central exchange listing. I'm sure there's going to be lots more big central exchange listings to be announced because this doesn't happen for another 4 days or so. So we're going to see probably more listings pop up on this Twitter right here in the corner of the screen at Kima Network as it gets closer to the token generation event date. And we're going to go over the information on the Kima token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen here as usual. You can see they have a gold verified check mark, 4,364 tweets. It is at Kima Network, 583,100 Twitter followers. There is a lot of followers on here. And they have a link to their webpage right there, Kima.network, where you're going to find all the links you'll possibly need. And they also have a Twitter community, if you scroll down, that you could join with 705 members where you could discuss this project with other community members. Now, it was just announced that trading will open for this token starting November 26th, 1 p.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Gate. So all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then when the token gets listed on November 26th, go into the trade section, search KIMA, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you follow this Twitter right here, I'm sure, as it gets closer, it's 4 days away, you're going to see more and more central exchange listings and decentralized exchange listings and all that type of stuff pop up here on their socials, their Twitter. And then they probably have a Telegram. They have blog articles. If you go to the webpage, they have a document section, team section, getting started guide. So it says the Kima tokenomics model powers the protocol, enabling robust security, validation rewards, and efficient transactions. So some of the Kima tokens features is network security, validation rewards, ecosystem building, transaction payments, and liquidity provisioning. So this is very much a utility token. And then if you scroll down to the tokenomics section on their webpage, first of all, it says Kima token is not live yet, so beware of scams. It is definitely not live yet. And it says listings to be announced soon. So they have a whole section that's kind of blurred out, and you'll be able to see what the listings are very soon. So their document section, you can find docs.kima.network, is going to have tons of info over there. So it says Kima is the world's largest infrastructure agnostic money transfer protocol. The Kima platform is comprised of blockchain and a toolkit that allows the seamless transfer of assets between different blockchains and platforms. So some of the challenges in blockchain interoperability: blockchains are siloed. Web3 apps built within these ecosystems are constrained by their on-chain liquidity. Many solutions developed for these challenges, known as bridges, suffer from flaws and vulnerabilities, security, user experience, complexity, and poor capital efficiency. So how does Kima solve these challenges? Well, Kima addresses these challenges in a unique way by creating a Web3 settlement layer, which enables interchain transactions. Now, this approach allows liquidity to be transferred between chains in a safe, secure, and cost-effective manner, enabling a reliable omni-chain solution. So Kima achieves unique security by eliminating all known attack vectors, so no smart contracts, no oracles, no external relayers, and adding multiple layers of security. Examples would be using a trusted execution environment with Intel SGX and decoupled validation. The protocol uses game theory and financial incentives to maintain liquidity equilibrium and maximize capital efficiency. So the infrastructure, Kima simplifies and accelerates the creation of secure omni-chain applications, tackling interoperability problems without causing additional liquidity fragmentation. It provides a mechanism for users to perform cross-chain atomic swaps without token wrapping. So the Kima blockchain, built using the Cosmos SDK, employs a committee-based consensus, aka wardens, in a rotating committee ensure asset pool synchronization and authorize withdrawals based on corresponding deposits. Now, this structure uses threshold signature schemes, TSS, and operates within a trusted execution environment for enhanced security. Kima maintains liquidity pools on each integrated Layer 1 blockchain, like Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, and synchronizes assets across these platforms without creating synthetic wrapped tokens. They also include validators, known for reliability. Permissionless layers allow anyone with sufficient stake to become a block producer and warden, facilitating regular changes in the warden set. The two-layer consensus mechanism ensures stability, security, and decentralization with four main goals: to manage and update the warden set, to execute platform governance, create an auditable record of accountability, and messaging for interacting with contracts across blockchains. There is cross-chain transfers, and they tell you how you can participate. You can use Kima as an end user, become a validator for the Kima blockchain, or leverage Kima's SDK to effortlessly integrate all Kima's functionality into the application. So check this all out on their document section, docs.kima.network, for all the rest of the information. And you can find all the links basically at kima.network, and that's where they're going to announce all their other listings soon. But the only one I've seen pop up so far is the Gate listing, so go check out Gate. And yeah, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.